Today we are going to be dividing fractions. Steps for dividing fractions. First thing you need to do is convert all mixed numbers to improper. The second thing, keep the first fraction the same. Next is change division to multiply and flip the second fraction. We call those two steps multiplying by the reciprocal. Next, go ahead and multiply, cross-reduce if you can. And then the last step is going to be to simplify or create a mixed number if necessary. Here's our first example, 3/7 divided by 2/5. Here we're going to keep our first fraction. It's going to remain 3/7. Change division to multiply. And then I need to flip my second fraction. Again, multiplying by the reciprocal. Here I cannot cross-reduce, so 3 times 5 is 15. 7 times 2 is 14. That is an improper fraction. 14 goes into 15 one time, and I'd have 1 remaining out of 14. 1 and 1/14 is going to be my answer. My next example is 3/5 divided by 1/2. Again, keep your first fraction the same. It's going to remain 3/5. Change division to multiply. Flip your second fraction, again multiplying by the reciprocal. Go ahead and multiply. Here I can not cross-reduce, so 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 1 is 5. 6/5 is improper. 5 goes into 6 one time, and 1 remains out of 5. So my answer is 1 and 1/5. Now here is an example that includes mixed numbers. Again, before we do this, we are going to convert all mixed numbers to improper fractions. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17/3, divided by 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5/4. Okay, now let's go ahead and do our division process. Keep the first fraction the same, 17/3. Change division to multiply, and flip the second fraction, again multiplying by the reciprocal. Here I cannot cross-reduce. 17 times 4 is 68. 3 times 5 is 15. This is improper. 15 goes into 68 4 whole times. That's 60. So I'm going to have 8 out of 15 remaining. So my answer is 4 and 8/15. Okay, here's my last example. 8 2/3 divided by 13/27. Again, remember you need to convert 8 2/3 to an improper fraction. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 2 is 26/3, divided by 13/27. Now let's go ahead and go with our process here. 26/3 stays the same. Change division to multiply, and then I'm going to flip my second fraction. Okay, again multiplying by the reciprocal. Here I can cross-reduce. I don't want to do 26 times 27. So 3 and 27, 3 can go into 3 once. 3 can go into 27 9 times. 13 can go into 13 once. 13 can go into 26 twice. Now I can multiply across. 2 times 9 is 18. 1 times 1 is 1. 18 over 1 is equal to 18. Now you go ahead and try. Remember, when you divide, you change division to multiply and then flip the second fraction. Please make sure your answers are in simplest form.